Couple southwest Mississippi starting to feel the main impacts of the storm.
That's right. 12 News' Anna Ferris joins us live down in Adams County with a look at the conditions there. Anna, what have you been seeing?
Good morning, Andrew and Candace. Yeah, we are in Natchez. That's Adams County, like you guys said. And right now we're just seeing some light rain. The roads are definitely wet. We're going to flip the camera around so you guys can see exactly what we're doing. We're traveling here in lightning. And like Jacob said, we are under a tornado warning until 8 a.m. So we're going to continue to keep you updated on that and if anything develops. But right now the wind is not too bad. It's coming up from the east at about 13 miles per hour with wind gusts at about 18 miles per hour, and the power is still on here, which is a good thing, and we haven't seen that many people out on the roads, which is also a good thing, and we really should be staying indoors to stay safe as possible. And if you do have to go out for any reason today, please drive slowly. The rain is going to make the roads very wet, and again, we're going to expect some higher winds later today. So like Jacob said, we're just going to continue to keep you updated on when those winds are going to develop and that tornado warning as well. Live in Natchez, Anna Ferris, 12 News.